Welcome to the first tutorial video of Patent Cloud's due diligence. We'll show you how to select or import a patent portfolio for analysis. In the default tab Party, you can search under 4 types of parties in due diligence. Let us enter a company name in the search bar and click Add. The system will show the search result of patent assignees associated with the keyword. Some results may not fit the keywords you entered due to reasons such as co-ownership. You can go through the list to select companies to be included in the analysis. If you want to select the affiliated companies, including its parent company or subsidiaries, click on Add Corporate Affiliates. You may select the parent company or affiliated companies by adding them to the list and clicking Confirm. Once you've selected the patent owner, click Confirm. Simply type in another company name to add more current assignees to the analysis scope. You can refine the scope of analysis by clicking Filtered By on the left. When you are ready, click Confirm. On this page, the dashboard shows the number of patent applications and patent families in the scope of analysis. Click on the exclamation mark to see the family check result. After checking the missing family members, click on Start Analysis to complete the analysis. Then you'll have the report. Now, let's create a report by importing our own patent list. Go to the patent number section, and click Download Template to download the patent number template. Open the file and follow the instructions to fill in patent numbers and save the file. Click on the box again or drop the file into the box to upload the file. The system can only process up to 50,000 patents for each report. Please contact us if you need to analyze a portfolio with more than 50,000 patents. After uploading the file, click Confirm. You can also do the family check if needed. When everything is all set, click Start Analysis to generate the report. You can click on Input Numbers and enter patent numbers in the form. Please make sure you have the country code in front of the patent number and separate each patent number with a semicolon, space, or another line. The rest is the same as mentioned before. Thank you for watching Patent Cloud's due diligence tutorial video.